So alright guys, right now I'm there in my hall and I'm gonna do a prank on my mother. She get it to my sister, she go to school. I'm gonna do a prank on my mother. I'm gonna tell her, say, she out to do it right now. So I'm gonna do a prank on her, tell her, say, I am gay, alright? But the reason why I can't tell her, alright, bye. Tell them say I go to school, come. Go and go say 1, 2, 3 ABC. But anyways, yeah, we are gonna do it. Me are gonna do one prank on her. Wish, hope to see her reaction. Hope she not get too big about it. Which me know she will get one big about it.
Really, nigga?
Like the topic there. But you know, just for the people and things. So stay tuned. Subscribe, like my video them, watch them, me do 2 more reaction and thing. So we're gonna pray them. Stay tuned. We're gonna do the prank now.
A few inches later.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Like, what kind of Saddam and Gomorrah? What are you talking about?
One place where they didn't call Saddam and Gomorrah.
So, if me turn gay, you run me out of house.
You couldn't stay here.
Why?
No, you can't live with him. No.
Come here, me talk to you. Come here. No, sit down. Come here. Come here now, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Not we are question about my foolishness.
Come here now. Come here. God, bro. Come here.
Come bed, you know.
Come here.
Make the breakfast and stay hungry. Me I hear you talk.
Me want to know a real fact behind it. Like, what make you like actually run me out? Like, run
because
me out.
It's wrong. You can't go in a man back to the shit out. Must be mad.
Well, come on.
Me have to do something, say, when you have to cut my finger.
What I still love you the same way?
Yeah, because you're your mother.
But what if me do that?
Why if you do that?
What if fear go run me out?
But God don't want that.
God don't want that?
No.
So, what me
God
do?
make man and woman to go together and never make 2 men.
So, we don't run me out and run man kill me?
That's for your business and you choose the way. And you choose the way there.
So, Shani, you run me out too?
Yes.
Why?
Go on.
God knows how not deal with me?
Before we go to police station.
Damn!
Go run me out?
If you don't want to come out.
Really, nigga?
No, sir. It's tragic for me. But I just make still. I want video me that me.
Can you get gas school?
Well, people, she said she don't run me out of her house because she don't want no gay in her room or in her house, or she don't go for police for me. Well, just me, it's tragic for me, which me not gonna do. I just for the prank, I just for the people. But you know, she me get her good. She me gone too far, she me have to do that.
You
Come
know
on,
everything about that.
it's just a question.
No,
You know.
But
But
you're mad. You just make question and put it on Facebook.
what do you mean?
No, man.
Watch out. If you like the video, subscribe. You don't know say we now go down the lane there.
The one bun you out.
Straight thing to me thing.
No man think it's so easy.
No sir. No man not think it no so it easy nothing. I just video to see the reaction but she that come down with. But you don't know say one way, any other way is the wrong way. Nah, so we are disrespect no gay nigga, but you know, a one way brother. But if you like the video, subscribe, like. You talk about subscribe to my thing and video, but don't she still? I just for the video. Don't know something without them sitting there. But if you like it, subscribe, like, share, and make sure you subscribe to you know. But do it when you don't watch the video, and then forward, and we can have some more fun. Peace.